Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Friends, if you are asked how trees are useful in your life, what would you tell? Trees give us fruits, flowers, shade and many more things. Trees produce oxygen, which is life for us. Trees are our best friends. Life is impossible without trees. This may be your answers. But here the poet Behn is giving thanks to the trees through the poem Trees are the kindest things I know. This poem is from 8th standard English book. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. Let's read the poem. Trees are the kindest things I know. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. And spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. They are the first when days begun to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleeping children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. Behn. Let's learn the poem. First two lines. Trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. Explanation. The poem starts with a statement, trees are the kindest things I know. Poet talks about the kindness of trees. Poet says, among all the things, trees are the kindest things. They do not harm anyone. Why trees are called kindest? Because they help and care others and do not harm to anybody. They simply grow and demand nothing in return. Next two lines. And spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. New word, boughs means branches. Explanation. How the trees help other animals, birds and human beings are explained in next few lines. Trees provide a shade to the animals and humans as well. They give shelter, that is home, to birds on their branches and also give place to build their nests. Next two lines. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of. Explanation. Trees provide us with fruits and flowers. They also provide wood to make our houses. What are the other uses of wood? It can be used as fuel to make furniture and toys, to build boats and ships. Next two lines. And leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. New word, Halloween, a festival in autumn celebrated in Western countries. Explanation. Here is another example of kindness of trees. In foreign countries, there is a festival called Halloween. It is celebrated in winter season. As it is winter, people need warmth or heat. At the same time, trees shed their leaves. And people burn their dried leaves to get warmth. In spring season, here in India it is summer, the climate is very hot. But trees grow new green buds to decrease the intensity of heat. This is the kindness of trees explained in these two lines. Next two lines. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. New word beam means rays. Explanation. As trees are very tall, the sun rays first fall on them and then they start preparing their food. Thus, they are the first to get the morning sun. Also, when the sun sets, they are the last to receive the sunlight. Next four lines. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. New words. Drowsy means sleepy. Lullaby means soft, slow song to put children to sleep. Explanation. When it is night, the moon appears in the sky. Cool breeze starts. The leaves sways or move. It seems like trees are singing a lullaby, like a mother. Mother sings lullaby to put the baby to sleep. But poet says, when the soft breeze passes through the branches of the trees, it makes a sound like lullaby. That lullaby is enough for the child to sleep. In this way, trees are the kindest things.